Good morning to everybody. Super. All are full of energetic, I think so. Very nice to hear the sound and the response from you. Do you know for what purpose we are assembled here? Why we gathered? Yes. Sunday we were not able to celebrate your day. So, Mama's plan. We don't want to disappoint you people all, okay? So, today is your day. So, teachers are going to perform in front of you. So, I think all are going to enjoy. Yes? I think my students all will maintain silence. All are very good. So, I'm expecting from you all. Shall we start now? Okay, we'll begin the program with a prayer. So I would like to call our ma'am, Mrs. Kumuda, to come.
Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, it's because of God's blessings. We are happy to know that we are assembled here in this auditorium. It's all because of God, who is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. Okay? In Tamil we say, Thunilum irpan, Turumbilum irpan. So he is everywhere. Okay? It's not that he should be in one form. He has different forms. So, let us all thank God for this beautiful morning before we start our Children's Day program. Be seated. You're all good children. Shall we all thank God? Love you all, children. Love you all. Great. All join your hands. Close your eyes. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Think of God. Bow down your head. Ellaram thala gunino. We have to respect God. Okay? I shall recite mantras. Okay? Let's all thank God for this beautiful day. Shall we start? No talking. Thank you. Thank you. All close your eyes. Join your hands. Bow down your head. Be thankful to God. Okay? I shall start my prayer. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmalaspatikakrutim Hayagrivam Upasmahe Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Om Bhur Bhuvat Swaha Tatsaviturvare Enyam Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Shri Rama Nama Varanane Shri Rama Nama Varanana Om Nama Iti Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Hari Om. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. It was very wonderful. So let me go on to the next one. I request Mrs. Sumadi to come and give welcome speech.
அன்னை தமிழுக்கு அன்பு வணக்கம். அவையினருக்கு என் அடுத்த வணக்கம். குழந்தைகளே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எந்தன் குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். உள்ளுவதெல்லாம் உயர் உள்ளல், உள்ளத்தால் உயர்ந்த மனிதர் உயர் திரு தாளாளர் அவர்களை வருக வருக என வரவேற்கின்றேன். இதனால் இவன் முடிப்பான் என்றாய்ந்து அதனை அவன்கண் விடல் என்ற வள்ளுவரின் வாக்கிற்கிணங்க பணி செய்யும் எம் முதன்மை ஆசிரியர் அவர்களையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்கின்றேன். விழும்பொழுது விதையென விழுந்து எழும்பொழுது விருட்சமென எழும் எம் ஆசிரிய பெருமக்களை வருக வருக என வரவேற்கின்றேன். குழலின் இனிமையையும் யாழின் இனிமையையும் தம்மகத்தே கொண்ட எம் மாணவ செல்வங்களே, உங்களையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்கின்றேன். வித்யாலட்சுமியின் அங்கமென திகழும் அனைத்து ஊழியர்களையும் இவ்விழாவிற்கு வருக வருக என வரவேற்று எனக்கு வாய்ப்பளித்தமைக்கு நன்றி நகர்கின்றேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I think of Vidyalakshmi are ready to ramp walk in front of you. So I would like to call kids from KG to first, second are requested to come on the dais.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhinay ST. Second rubies. I am a sun. Sun is biggest star in solar system. The sun rises in east and set in west. The sun fills of 74% hydrogen, 24% helium. No sun, no life. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Geetisha of second standard. Today I become a little butterfly. I am the most beautiful and colorful insect in the world. I have 6 legs, 4 wings and 2 antennas. I can fly. I have great ability to see and smell anything using antennas. We are in different colors like blue, yellow, red, orange and also can be multicolored. I taste food with my feet. Now I am going to do my butterfly stages dance. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly and this is the butterfly dance. Sit on the floor and curl up like an egg. Now wait 4 days. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly and this is the butterfly dance. Crawl, crawl, crawl like a caterpillar crawl and eat green leaves. Crawl, crawl, crawl like a caterpillar crawls and eat green leaves. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly and this is the butterfly dance. Stand real still from a chrysalis. Don't move, close your eyes. This is the butterfly dance. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly and this is the butterfly dance. Spread your wings until they're dry. Now fly, fly, fly. Spread your wings until they're dry. Now fly, fly, fly. This is the butterfly dance. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly and this is the butterfly dance. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Fly, 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 the butterfly. In the meadow is flying high. In the garden is flying low. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Tanisha. My study in first standard Vijayalakshmi CBSE Senior Secondary School. My name is Corona. Coronavirus very danger. Very masks, sanitizer, ear masks, sanitizer. Coronavirus, cough, fever, breathing problem. Good morning everyone. My name is Maurya SM. I am studying first standard. Now going to talk about honeybee. Buzz, buzz. Hey, you know who I am? I am little honey. I am very small and wonderful inside. The sound of bees is buzz, buzz. Good morning, Bam. I am a tree. I give you clean air, wood, fruits and medicines. You cannot live without me, so please do not cut me saying thank you, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Kashif Kamran. I am studying in second standard. Jawaharlal Nehru. My topic name is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born 14th November in Allahabad, 1889 in Allahabad. His father name is Motilal Nehru. His mother name is Swarupurani. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Anukriti Singh, second standard. I presenting Priyanka Chopra. When Miss World 2000, I made my world proud. Thank you. Good morning, teachers and my friends. I am studying second standard. Now I am an Shakuntala, daughter of Kannan. I'm waiting for my husband, Dushandan. Thank you. வணக்கம், நான் திருவள்ளுவர்.
Very nice, students. The way you delivered the speech, you played the role play, I can say. Very nice. Happy to see you people all. Now I request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to deliver the speech in front to say a few words.
Happy morning to one and all. Today we could see a big strength in our auditorium. So all of you, maximum children are present, I guess, right? Teachers? So in each class, we can see three sections. 1 to 5th standard, 3 sections. 6 to 8 also 3 sections, I guess, or 4th sections in 8th standard. 3 sections. Okay, nice to see you all. So now, just all of us close our eyes for few minutes, only 1 minute. All of you close your eyes and let's pray God to continue this situation to come regularly to school. All of us, including teachers, just all of you close your eyes. Start praying. Open your eyes. Every day, before sleeping and morning, before getting up, you have to pray God that every day you wish to come to school, right? So after 19 months, you're all inside the campus and you're all enjoying with your teachers and friends, right? Very nice. I think these 19 months, how many of you troubled your parents? You didn't trouble. No, I'll ask your parents once. Each and every one of you would have troubled, we know. Here itself we can see you're not sitting in one place. You want to go out either to drink water or to use washroom, right? So many moments I can see here. No, I can't hear you. Be quiet. Be quiet. Children, please don't trouble your parents. Don't trouble your teachers. So whatever you have lost these 19 months, the teachers will guide you. Don't worry. But only thing we are expecting from your side is, every day whatever the teachers are telling you in the class, you have to follow the instructions very clearly. Understand? So every day you have to practice writing. Reading, writing, almost you would have forgotten. Every day, few sentences, few words, few lines, you have to read and write. Pronunciation, if you have forgotten, your teachers will recall all those things. Understand? Don't trouble your parents, don't trouble your teachers as well. Okay, wish you all the best, children. Whatever the books you are bringing to school, every day you have to, after going home, you have to check what the teachers are teaching inside the class, they have taught inside the class. You have to recall once at home. Do your homework regularly. Writing, reading, practice, every day you have to follow up. So irrespective of the concepts, you have to recall all these. Understand? So nobody is listening, I guess. All are eagerly waiting for the culturals from teachers as well as friends. So wish you all the best, children. May God give you strength to come to school every day and give you good health. Thank you.
I think now it's a turn. The teachers are going to perform, okay? First we'll start with the song. So may I like to request Mrs. Roslyn and Mrs. Sushila Devi ma'am to come on the dais.
Wonderful morning, everyone. So today we are celebrating Children's Day and also Chacha Nehruji's birthday. Yes, we are going to sing Hindi song in Hindi. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. औरों की तरह कुछ मैं भी तोहफा आज लाता, औरों की तरह कुछ मैं भी तोहफा आज लाता. मैं तेरी हंसी महफिल में फूल लेके आता, जिन्हें कहा इसे क्या है फूलों की जरूरत, जो बाहर खुद कहलाए, हर कली का दिल धड़काए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. थैंक यू.
Our teachers are going to play a game in front of you, which we call it as a communication game. So I request the teachers to come on the dais. Teachers,
Children, now I am going to start. See how we are following. Shall we start? Please maintain silence and observe, okay? Teachers, please don't turn back. You should see the front only when you call, you have to turn back. Any teacher is saying you should observe carefully. But the action passed was? But what pass we got? See, observation is very important. Thank you, children.
really a good message here taught them by playing a game. Wonderful teacher. Thank you. Now I'll call upon the next person, Sri Sai Karthik of 7th standard, to deliver speech.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sri Sai Karthik from grade 7. Today, I am going to talk about Children's Day. Children's Day in India is celebrated every year on 14th November. This day is also celebrated in honor of the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad and was schooled in home by private tutors in his early life. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru went to Trinity College, Cambridge in 1907 and graduated with the honoris degree of Natural Science in 1910. After completing his degree, Nehru moved to London and studied law. Jawaharlal Nehru became our first Prime Minister in 1947 after India was declared as an independent nation. And he ruled for 16 years and he always advocated for children's rights such as education, safety and health. He always loved the time with children and the children also very fond of him as they refer to him as Chacha Nehru and Chacha Ji. He had a great vision for India to make it into a world leader and he knew that it was possible if the young people were nurtured from childhood. By giving them the freedom of dream and having the basic amenities and the right to be protected and taken care of. Among the basic rights of education and health were extremely important and he ensured to enlighten people with the same philosophy. And he encouraged parents and teachers to give their children wings to fly and dream the future they want to create and allow the room for mistakes and improvements as these qualities help them to innovate and build a better nation. So be the children which our country is proud of and I wish you all the best and happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. It was very nicely. You have delivered the speech. Keep it up. That too without saying. Keep on going. Now, I think you are going to control your hands and feet. Do you know why? Because Dhanvanti of 6th standard is going to perform a dance in front of you. I know very well you like to see and you like to dance. Okay. Welcome, Dhanvanti.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, Dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again, again.
You have seen the performance of a student only. Now, many choreographers are ready to present their talent in front of you. Now, I request our teachers to come on the dais. Even they are not lesser than anybody. They are going to perform in front of you. Control your hands and feet, children. I welcome all the teachers. How was the performance? Do you like? You might have seen, even your teachers are not only good at teaching, but even they are good at dancing also. They are a good dancer. Do you agree with me, children? Super. Now is a turn to sing a devotional song by Sahana Sairam. May I request Sahana Sairam to come on the dais.
Hi friends, I'm going to sing a song from Devaram. Pitta Pirai Sudi Perumane Arulala Ettan Maravade Ninaikinden Manathunai வைத்தாய் பெண்ணை தென்பால் வெண்ணை நல்லூர் அருத்துறையுள் அத்தா உனக்காலாயினி அல்லேஞனலாமே நாயேன் பல நாளும் நினைப்பின்றி மனதுன்னை பேயாய் திரிந்தெய்தேன் பெயலாக அருள் பெற்று வேயார் பெண்ணை தென்பாகனை நல்லூரரு துறையில் ஆயா உனக்காலாயினி அல்லேன் எனலாமே மண்ணே மறவாது நினைக்கின்றேன் மனதுன்னை பொன்னே மனிதானே வைரம்மே பொருதுந்தி நின்னார் பெண்ணை தென்பாகனை நல்லூரரு துறையில் அன்னே உனக்காலாயினி அல்லேன் எனலாமே முடியே நினி பிறவேன் பெருமூவேன் பெற்ற மூர்த்தி கொடியேன் பல பொய்யே உரை பேனை கொறிக்கொள்ளி செடியார் பெண்ணை தென்பாவனை நல்லூரரு துறையில் அடிக்கேல் உனக்காலாயினி அல்லேன் எனலாமே பாதம் பணிவார்கள் பெரும் பண்டம் அது பணியாய் ஆதன் பொருளானே நறியில்லே நருளாலா தாதார் பெண்ணை தென்பாவனை நல்லூரரு துறையில் ஆதி உனக்காலாயினி அல்லேன் எனலாமே தன்னார் மதிசூடித்தல் போடும் திருமேனி என்னார் புறமூன்றும் எரி உண்ணா நகை செய்தாய் மன்னார் பெண்ணை தென்பாவனை நல்லூரரு துறையுள் அண்ணா உனக்காலாயினி அல்லேன் எனலாமே ஊனாய் உயிரானாய் உடலானாய் உலகானாய் வானாய் நிலனானாய் கடலானாய் மலையானாய் தேனாய் பெண்ணை தென்பாவனை நல்லூரரு துறையில் ஆனாய் புறமூன்றும் எரி உண்ணா சிலை தொட்டார் தேற்றாதென சொல்லித் திரிவேனோ சக்கர்வானீர் ஏற்றாய் பெண்ணை தென்பால் வெண்ணை நல்லூரொரு துறையில் ஆற்றாய் உனக்காலாய் இனி அல்லேன் எனலாமே மறுவாவதனே தீமறையோ தீமங்கை பங்கா தொழுவாரவ துயராயின தீத்தல் உணத்தொழிலே செழுவார் பெண்ணை தென்பால் வெண்ணை நல்லூரொரு துறையுள் அழகா உனக்கால இனி அல்லேன் எனலாமே காரூர் புனலெய்தி கரை கல்லித்திரை கையால் பாரூர் புகழெய்தி திகழ் பன்மாமணி உந்தி சீரூர் பெண்ணை தென்பால் வெண்ணை நல்லூரொரு துறையில் ஆரூரண்யம் பெருமார்கால்லேன் எனலாமே ஆரூரண்யம் பெருமார்கால் அல்லேன் எனலாமே திருச்சிற்றம்பலம்.
Thank you, Sahana. Now I request Harshini of second standard to deliver the speech. Harshini. Harshini of second standard.
Good morning to one and all. I am Harshini of class second. Let me first wish you all very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India. He loves children. He compared with them birds of flower. Let children called only Tata Bajanga. It is Children's Day. Very happy Children's Day. For us, the children's. For us, the children. It is called Bal Divas. Bal Divas. Schools and college organize various events like dance, drama, music, speech, and essay writing, and other competitions. First, wish you all very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is great day to take forward Nehru's dreams so that they thank you everyone.
Thank you very much. It was very nice to hear. Now I request Ma'am Devika to come on the dais to give vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to one and all. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks.
I would like to thank our honorable correspondent sir, principal ma'am, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students. I hope you all enjoyed the program. Once again, I thank you everyone.